In a move that's been sending shockwaves through the political landscape, Hope Hicks, a former White House advisor and communications director for President Trump, is set to testify in Trump's criminal trial in New York. This development could potentially alter the trajectory of this high-stakes trial, which is centered around 34 felony counts related to falsifying business records to conceal damaging information during the 2016 election. Hicks, who has a history of working closely with the Trump family, is expected to be questioned about her knowledge of a deal between Trump and the National Enquirer to suppress damaging stories during the 2016 presidential campaign. She was also involved in the campaign's response to controversies such as the Access Hollywood tape and allegations of affairs with Karen McDougal and Stormy Daniels. As the grand jury investigates, prosecutors are likely to ask Hicks about her involvement in the deal with the National Enquirer and her time at the White House. This testimony will likely shed light on the inner workings of the Trump campaign and the extent of Hicks's involvement in these alleged discrepancies. Former President Trump has been invited to testify before the grand jury, a move that suggests an indictment could be near. This investigation has intensified recently, with key figures such as Michael Cohen and Kellyanne Conway meeting with prosecutors. Trump's spokesperson has dismissed the potential indictment as a political attack and an embarrassment to the prosecutors. This trial marks the first time an ex-president is criminally prosecuted in court. If convicted, Trump could face up to 4 years in prison for each charge, potentially leading to a total of 136 years in prison. However, legal experts suggest that Trump's unique circumstances may lead to probation rather than jail time. In the midst of these developments, Republicans considering 2024 Senate bids in battleground states are hesitant to endorse Trump for the GOP presidential primary, further complicating the political landscape. In summary, the recent developments in the trial, particularly the testimony of Hope Hicks, could potentially unravel the truth behind the headlines. As Hicks is questioned about her knowledge of the Trump campaign's dealings and her time at the White House, we may gain a clearer understanding of the extent of the alleged falsification of business records and the possible consequences for Trump. The political implications of this trial extend beyond the courtroom, affecting the GOP's strategy for the upcoming 2024 Senate bids. As the trial progresses, we will continue to monitor these developments closely.